when the kit says K1 plus K2 equals 97%, that means 97% of the words used in the text, 97% of the total words used in the text is written within the first 2,000 word families. And so it looks easy. 97% of the whole text is written within the 2,000 word families, and that looks easy. But it is not necessarily so, because when the total words is 500 words, and 3% of the 500 words are from low-frequency words, that means 15 words out of 500 are low-frequency words, and they could be very difficult words. And so it is a good idea to look into what those 3% of the words are, and then it gives you an idea how long it will take for you to prepare for the lesson. Because if those words are just K3 words or K7 words, that may not be that bad, but it comes from higher level low frequency words. It may be difficult to explain, or you may have to decide that you don't want to use that word altogether and replace the word with another easier word. And so this is going to help you decide what you want to do with those words. And so this information really helps for the preparation. But low-frequency words does not mean that it's necessarily very difficult. It only means that it is not very frequently used. And so we just have to decide whether we want to use those words from 3%.